drifts softly across the sky. The afternoon is passing by. Cars move quietly down the road. No one seems to be in a rush today. The city breathes at its own pace. Everything is in the right place. Just another drive through the evening light. The road ahead feels calm and bright. The windows open, the world goes by under a peaceful summer sky. Soon it's time to head back home. My heart begins to settle down. The fading sunlight leads me on. One more quiet mile before I'm gone. The traffic flows without a sound. Familiar streets all around. No special place I need to find. Just letting go and clearing my mind. The clouds grow lighter in the west. The evening brings a welcome rest. Nothing more I need today. Just enjoying the simple way. Just another drive through the evening light. Everything somehow feels right. Soon the stars will fill the sky as daylight slowly says goodbye. Soon it's time to head back home. My heart begins to settle down. Every road will lead me there, with the warm evening in the air. The city slowly fades from sight, holding on to the gentle light. One more breath, one more smile. I'll be home in just a little